Well, hey everybody, happy July 1st to you. I was just looking at my food calendar and I learned something. I learned that today, July 1st, is National Gingersnap Day. And when I thought of the word Gingersnap, I thought about my friend Stephanie at Gingersnap Kitchen. And I thought, what can I do to celebrate Stephanie at Gingersnap Kitchen? Well, I'm going to cook something that she made over on her channel. I'm cooking Sloppy Joe Meatballs. I'll show you how. What you need to do is you need to get a pan, put some oil in it, get some minced garlic in there, and then you're just going to chop up a garlic and add a chop up an onion. Put that chopped onion inside that pan. And while that onion's cooking, I'm going to make something else that Stephanie from Gingersnap kind of did a couple weeks ago. I'm going to make an upside down rhubarb cornbread. I just happen to have some stewed rhubarb in the refrigerator that I'm going to put in the bottom of a buttered bacon dish. And on top of that, I just took a store-bought cornbread mix, and I'm going to put on top of that stewed rhubarb and stick this in the oven, and I'll have myself some upside down cornbread. I can't wait to try it. I'm going to take about half this onion garlic mixture and put it in a bowl. You need to add some sausage or beef. I'm using sausage. Shake of soy sauce, shake of Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, like that. Breadcrumbs, pinch of salt, shake of pepper. I'm going to mix this with my hand and form 1-inch balls. Like this. I'm going to start baking these meatballs in the oven at about 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Time to work on the sauce. I've got the rest of those onions and garlic inside of here. I'm going to add a can of crushed tomatoes and a can of tomato paste. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of ketchup, little shake of chili powder, dash of hot sauce, little bit of mustard powder, some Worcestershire sauce, salt, and some pepper. Bring that to a boil and then let it simmer. Put those cooked meatballs in the sauce and cover them up. Well, it's done. Now, it's not as pretty as anything that comes out at Gingersnap's kitchen, that's for sure. When she did her rhubarb, she took like pieces of rhubarb and had it nicely layered. It was such a beautiful pattern. I just threw that stewed rhubarb in there and turned it upside down. Let's try it. Rhubarb and cornbread, phenomenal combination. Never had that before. Love it. Now it's time for this meatball in that sauce. The sauce flavors, it works phenomenal. I love Sloppy Joes to begin with, but ooh, there's a little bit of spice at the end. Love that. It is a perfect treat. I love celebrating Gingersnap Kitchen. As always, it's a joy to have you join me in my kitchen. Thank you so much. If you like this video, click like. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. Ding that bell for notifications about when my next videos are coming out. And make sure you go see my friend Stephanie at Gingersnap Kitchen too. You know we're here to celebrate her as well. What's the difference between a meatball and an asteroid? One is meteor.